Hey going, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here at WA Van State Titles. Guys, tell us about your ride.
Woolly is the name of it.
Yep.
HZ panel van, 77. Done all the work myself. Garage,
Cool.
shed build. 355 stroker, Aussie 4-speed manual. So
Yep.
we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's been had it 15 years.
Oh, awesome.
And just started the build. It was bare metal, sandblasted 12 months ago. So I've
Oh wow,
been
you've done a good job.
busy. Yes.
Yeah,
Getting it ready for our wedding later on in the year. So
perfect.
I got a free reign with the cash for a bit. So it's good. Yeah, that's about it.
Oh, awesome. So when did you get her? What was it like? What did she look like?
It was multiple colours, bits of primer. Got it off one of my cousins.
Yep.
Come with a few parts and stuff, but changed colours a couple of times. It wasn't the original colour I was going for, but
Yep.
I'm glad I went this way now.
Yeah, absolutely. Perfect colour.
Yeah.
What colour is this anyway?
It's called Spilt Blood. It's a DNA custom candy colour.
Oh, awesome.
Mob over in Victoria make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I've seen their stuff on that's been on YouTube and things like that as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yep.
Awesome. Awesome.
And then
You've done it well. How long did it take you from start from when you got it to fully getting it really restored?
like I say, it's only been 12 months.
Yeah.
Had it 15 years, but 12 months I've really got into it. So a little bit of work to do. I've got the interior to do on it next, and then yeah, should be good.
Looks good so far, mate.
Thank
Got to
you.
start somewhere. So hope you guys are
Having a
enjoying the
ball.
day. So
Having a
that's
ball.
all good.
Yeah,
Perfect.
lots of cars out here. It's excellent. Everyone's enjoying it, having a ball.
Perfect. Not a drama then. We'll catch you around the traps.
Thank
and
you.
See you next time.
Will do. Cheers.
See ya.
It's 16.